Let us permit nature to have her way. She understands her business better than we do. We're going to start here at Cornet Bay, and we're going to go in and around these islands over here. There's Strawberry Island, Pass Island where we hiked the other day. Deception Pass Bridge is right here, and we're going to float around this region here with the boat and explore it a little bit, maybe see some wildlife. We're here at Cornet Bay where the boat will launch. It's a jet boat. It goes pretty quick. It should be a lot of fun. Maybe even see some wildlife or marine life and just enjoy the ride for the next couple of hours. Here we go. It's our turn to get on the boat. Go to deceptionpasstours.com and check for availability and pricing. We chose the Deception Pass Tour. They also offer summer and spring whale watching and minor island tour, each at a different price.
There is plenty of seating on the open deck boat. You'll enjoy a 360-degree unobstructed view as you move through the waters of Deception Pass. After a safety briefing from Captain Brett,
You guys ready?
Yeah!
with his assistant and tour interpreter,
Is everyone excited? Yeah! All right.
we embarked on the tour.
The first thing we encounter are some lazy seals napping on Strawberry Island.
After a few moments of cruising, Captain Brett picked up the pace.
Deception Pass is the most photographed attraction in Washington State. Learn about Deception Pass, the bridge, and surrounding areas on this incredible tour aboard the Island Whaler jet boat. As we headed further out, we slowed down for a few moments and witnessed more seals napping on a buoy. It's funny how they just find anything to sleep on out here.
They do. We've actually seen like 5 of them all piled up there at once. They'll just all lay on top of each other.
Ahead of us, we spotted some whale watchers. Though this tour was not for whale watching, Danny did manage to capture a couple of pictures of some humpback whales far off in the distance.
We are now headed to Smith and Minor Islands. The islands lie about 5 miles off the western shore of Whidbey Island, managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service as part of the San Juan Islands National Wildlife Aquatic Reserve and Refuge.
Along the shoreline, we spotted an eagle. To protect sensitive wildlife such as nesting seabirds and marine mammals, Smith and Minor Islands are closed to public entry year-round, and visitors must stay 200 yards from the shore.
All right. There's an eagle right below the bridge. Right ahead of us, right there.
We stopped a moment to take pictures of our national bird in its natural habitat, the bald eagle.
Very good. How cool was that?
After a fantastic and scenic ocean adventure, we highly recommend Deception Pass Tour on board the Island Whaler jet boat. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more of our Deception Pass and Whidbey Island adventure, be sure to subscribe to our channel and get notified when we release a new video.